If you had a sound effect for who you are and what your life is, what would it be? Don't be a dick.
Okay, I won't.
Be honest.
Okay, I won't.
Chris D'elia's life. Give me a sound effect. Don't be.
Okay, I won't. I won't.
Just be honest.
I won't. You want to hear it?
Is it?
No, it's not that, dude.
All right, I don't know.
You know what it is? It's this. And that's obvious.
So that's a rocket taking off?
Yep, and then turning into fucking sparkly flames. Yep.
Really?
You don't know him yet?
Yeah,
I asked him
know.
for the sound effect for how he's doing, like his life.
Yeah.
And he did a similar thing that you do where he went,
Oh, really?
Well, I like to go.
Great minds think likes,
Yeah.
right?
well, what's a sound effect?
Great
for your-
minds think
What's a
likes.
sound effect for your life, bro? How
Mine is usually,
Don't be
it's
a
like,
dick.
Like in 1940s?
yeah. It's like, I know that the audience can't see it from the back.
Yeah,
but
it's okay.
it's more impressive from the back.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Here comes a fastball.
The fastest ball in the West.
Okay.
That's the bat. Right. The
And
ball.
Japanimation.
Yeah, Japanimation. Oh, wow. And then it goes where?
Hold on.
Oh, that's
The people talking. The ball's still going.
boop, 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 boop.
Oh, it
Satellite?
passed
And a
Lynn.
satellite.
Satellite. Oh, satellite. Wow.
It's a baseball, dude. Now it's
The sun.
Is it a fireball?
Whoa.
If you can't, the sun is 93 million miles
Different
away.
angles.
Yeah. Oh, it blew up the sun?
Whoa!
And people can't. Yeah.
Like in Terminator 2.
Yeah. When she's
What's her face?
looking
Linda
through the
Hamilton.
gate, looking through the fence, yeah.
The guy who was going to catch the ball. Ooh.
Oh wow, that's
What's
your
up?
That's your
All right,
sound
so-
effect.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's an amazing. He's
hitting it out of the park.
Yeah, no,
I hit it right out of the
really?
park.
That was very visual.
So
for how
far that it went to the sun.